Good morning. You are watching TechNear Top 10 News, and I am Adi Sisodia. Let's take a look at today's Top 10 News. Campaigning for the second phase of elections in Kolkata has officially concluded. Mamata Banerjee led a massive 6 kilometers long roadshow showcasing strength with a huge turnout as she marched on foot. Voting for 142 seats will take place tomorrow, a crucial phase that could determine the course of power. Home Minister Amit Shah has urged voters to cast their votes fearlessly. He assured that central forces will remain deployed for 7 days even after polling. The Election Commission has made extensive security arrangements, and the BJP has expressed confidence in a free and fair election. Annalena Baerbock has arrived in New Delhi on an official diplomatic visit. Discussions will focus on India-United Nations relations, along with several key global issues. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is on a 2-day visit to Sikkim. He will attend the state's 50th Foundation Day celebrations and lay the foundation for projects worth over Rs 4,000 crore. He is also scheduled to address a public gathering in Gangtok. The Prime Minister will also visit Varanasi for 2 days. He will inaugurate the Banaras Locomotive Works and address a women's conference. This visit holds significance for both development initiatives and public outreach. The Uttarakhand High Court has upheld the conviction in a rape case, affirming the lower court's 10-year sentence. The court stated that the charges were proven beyond doubt and dismissed the convict's appeal. Indian Idol winner Vaibhav Gupta has landed a major opportunity. He lent his voice to a song in the film Dhurandhar 2. After 6 years of struggle and rejection, his career is now taking a promising turn. An important meeting of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization will be held today in Kyrgyzstan. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh will represent India. Key discussions will focus on regional security and cooperation, making the meeting strategically significant. Iran's foreign minister has visited Pakistan for the third time in 48 hours. A major statement has emerged regarding the opening of the Strait of Hormuz. He also indicated that talks with the United States on nuclear issues may happen later, signaling a shift in global diplomatic dynamics. Before we conclude, let's take a look at the weather forecast. A severe heat wave has gripped in the country, breaking multiple records. Banda recorded the highest temperature at 47.6 degrees Celsius. The government has issued alerts and advisories to tackle the extreme conditions. So, those were today's TechNear Top 10 News. From politics to sports and weather, we'll continue to bring you every important update. Keep watching TechNear TV. Thank you.